Welcome, welcome, meine Freunde, to Hexel's tour tonight. Frau Hexel waits in the visitor center with Brüm by her side. He tips his cap, he checks your map and hands you both your guide. Keep your hands and keep your eyes open and stay where shadows hide. Hear the forest calling, feel the ground begin to move. One wrong turn can wake the curse, so listen to the rule. Don't turn right, don't turn right. Frau Hexel said it clear tonight. Don't turn right, or vanish in the forest light. We roll out past the pine, black branches, moonlight on the glass. A whisper crawls through the windows as the old trees lean and pass. The path grows steep, the air goes cold, and the cabin slams us in. 100 strange reflections grin at you, and Brüm says, now begin. Hear the forest calling, feel the shadows start to climb. When the warning turns to thunder, you have one more line. Don't turn right, don't turn right. Frau Hexel said it clear tonight. Don't turn right, or vanish in the forest light. Brave hearts, hold tight, the curse is near. A twist, a plunge, then disappear. Brüm laughs low, Frau Hexel smiles. Keep straight ahead, just for a while. Don't turn right, don't turn right. Hear the woods come alive tonight. Don't turn right, race the dark and break the night. Don't turn right, if you blink the curse gets you inside.